Today, we're gonna take a look at some of the most incredible police cars in the world. From the cutting-edge police supercars to other high-tech crime-fighting machines like armored tank SUV, these cars are designed for speed and efficiency. Packed with advanced technology, they can track down criminals with ease. Here are the top 5 countries boasting the most insane police cars in their fleets. Number 5. Japan. Japan's police cars may have an anime-inspired look, but don't let their sleek, futuristic look fool you. These vehicles are built for serious business. Among the fleet, you'll find the powerful Lexus LC500, a high-performance machine packing 471 horsepower from its 5-liter V8 engine, making it an ideal choice for chasing down runaway suspects. The legendary Nissan Skyline GTR, along with the more recent R35 model, are also part of the arsenal, geared up to combat the ever-present threat of street racing. In addition, Japan's police force boasts several Nissan Z Nismos, further strengthening their ability to respond swiftly and efficiently. The Honda NSX, featuring a 3.5-liter V6 engine with 270 horsepower, is another formidable presence in the lineup, offering both speed and agility. Not to be outdone, the Subaru Impreza WRX also makes an appearance, sporting a distinctive black and white paint job and enhanced with performance upgrades and police-specific modifications. While the exact details of these modifications remain a bit of a mystery, it's clear that these cars are more than capable of handling the toughest chases. Anyone trying to escape from one of these beasts would be wise to surrender, because trying to outrunning them is no easy feat. Number 4. USA. Given the high-speed car chases commonly seen in the US, it's no wonder that their cop cars are built to be truly intimidating. For urban pursuits, vehicles like the Dodge Charger Pursuit are equipped with a wraparound grille designed for pit maneuvers, while the Ram 1500 Special Service Vehicle excels in off-road chases. But let's focus on 2 of the most impressive models. First, the Chevy Tahoe PPV, which comes with a rear camera mirror ideal for canine units where rear visibility might be obstructed. It also features an infrared camera for tracking criminals by detecting heat signatures in the dark. Additionally, its driver exit auto park system automatically stops the vehicle, shifts it into park, and engages the parking brake if the officer unbuckles their seatbelt, releases the brake, and opens the door while driving under 8 kilometers per hour. Then there's the Lenco Bearcat, a powerful armored vehicle available in different variants for situations like citizen rescues, border patrol operations, or even tackling small fires. Number 3. Turkey. In a remarkable operation, Turkish police recently seized a fleet of high-performance cars worth an estimated 3.1 million euros, which were previously suspected to be involved in illegal activities. The luxury vehicles, ranging from exotic sports cars like the Ferrari 488 and Bentley Continental GT, to high-end sedans and SUVs like the Range Rover, Mercedes, Volvo, Audi, and Porsche. These luxury vehicles confiscated and repurposed for law enforcement use. In an unexpected twist, the Turkish authorities decided to transform these powerful machines into part of their police fleet. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology and custom modifications, the vehicles are now being used for high-speed chases, surveillance, and other law enforcement operations. This transformation not only saves significant public resources, but also turns these once illicit assets into valuable tools for maintaining security and order. The move has garnered attention both domestically and internationally, highlighting the Turkish police's innovative approach to utilizing seized property for public service. Number 2. Italy. If you're considering committing a crime on Italian soil, you might want to think twice, as the Italian police, particularly the Carabinieri, have some seriously impressive vehicles to catch you. The Carabinieri, which serves as the military arm of the Italian police, is equipped with high-performance cars like the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio, a rapid response vehicle boasting 503 horsepower that can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.9 seconds. This powerful car is also fortified with a bulletproof windshield, shatterproof rear window, armored front doors, and additional protection for the fuel tank to ensure its durability in case of attacks. Alongside this, the Italian police have the Giulia Radio Mobile, which is armored to a B4 level and comes with 2 electromechanical weapons carriers and a single-person prison cell. But that's not all. They also have a Ferrari 458 Spider, once seized from the mafia and transformed into a police car, and a 560 horsepower Lamborghini Gallardo. Adding to the list of high-speed vehicles is a Lamborghini Huracan, which was used to transport a donor organ in an emergency, as well as a brand new Lamborghini Urus Performante. With this arsenal of high-performance vehicles, it's safe to say that anyone attempting a crime in Italy will have a hard time escaping the long arm of the law. In Europe, there are some other rare police vehicles, like the Ferrari 458 Italia in the Czech Republic, which was confiscated from criminals. In the UK, police forces have a Lexus ISF and are testing the Tesla Model 3 as a service vehicle. Some countries also use luxury cars for road safety campaigns, such as the German police, who have wrapped vehicles like the Audi RS4, Brava CLS Rocket, and C7 Corvette Stingray in police colors. Similarly, the UK police have used a Caparo T1 show car to promote road safety. Number 1. UAE. Dubai and Abu Dhabi are home to some of the fastest, most luxurious, and technologically advanced police cars in the world. Their fleets boast an impressive lineup of vehicles that include the Ferrari FF, Lamborghini Aventador, Bentley Continental GT, and Bentayga. But the luxury doesn't stop there. These forces also have the Mercedes SLS AMG and the BMW i8, along with rare gems like the Aston Martin 177 and Bugatti Veyron. It almost feels like stepping into a high-speed simulation, as the cars are not only built for speed and luxury, but are also equipped with cutting-edge technology for patrol and crime fighting. For instance, Dubai's Smart Patrol car, the Gear, comes packed with features like a 360-degree camera, 8 exterior surveillance cameras, facial and license plate recognition systems, and an onboard computer linked directly to the control center. Inside, there's also a driver behavior camera and other innovative tools, including a drone edition. Over the next 5 years, Dubai plans to add 400 more of these smart vehicles to their fleet. Abu Dhabi's police force matches the high standards, with vehicles such as the Rolls-Royce Phantom and Nissan GT-R. But perhaps the most attention-grabbing is the Lykan Hypersport. This 740 horsepower beast, powered by a 3.7-liter twin-turbo flat-six engine, accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.8 seconds and can reach a top speed of 395 kilometers per hour. If you happen to be caught by this vehicle, getting arrested might just be the coolest ride of your life.